With direct veneer and occlusion VD, Edelweiss Dentistry presents an outstanding system. The unique manufacturing process combines the best of two worlds, wafer-thin veneer and occlusion shells, together with an inorganic surface as hard as dental enamel. The basis consists of a highly filled homogeneous nano-hybrid composite material. In a first step, this material is heated and injected into special molds. At over 300 degrees Celsius, the mass is now polymerized thermally as well as through light and tempered for half an hour. This results in a solid and yet flexible blank. Now follows the core of the treatment. A laser penetrates 80 microns into the blank. This sinters the glass particles and extracts the resin parts from the composite material. Finishing is performed in a second step. Finest glass particles are applied to a sintered surface and vitrified using a coating laser. The result is an inorganic high-gloss glass surface, fused with the sintered dynamic composite core. The biomechanical properties of natural tooth enamel have been optimally reconstructed, merged together with natural bio-esthetics. The difference is in its similarity with nature. The direct veneer and occlusion VD system by Edelweiss Dentistry.